Hi guys, so today's recipe is the perfect little finger food. It's crunchy, it's salty, a little sweet, it's spicy. We're gonna make some firecracker shrimp. Now for this recipe, you're gonna need some jumbo shrimp. You wanna make sure you clean them. You wanna de-shell them, but you wanna leave the tail on. You're also gonna need some spring roll wraps. So here in this little bowl, we're going to make our marinade for our shrimp. I'm going to take a little bit of soy sauce, some sriracha, some rice vinegar, a little bit of sugar, some black pepper, ground ginger, a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to grate in some garlic. I'm going to do the same and add in some lime zest. And some lime juice. Next, I'm going to mix that well, and this is our marinade for our shrimp. Now, before we add our shrimp to our marinade, we're going to go ahead and straighten them out so it's easier to wrap. And to do that, you're going to lay the shrimp on its back. I know this sounds horrible, but you're going to lay it on its back, and you're going to make tiny little cuts underneath it. It'll straighten it out. I'll show you. See how straight it is now? You're just going to make tiny little cuts. You're going to do it about halfway through. Don't go all the way through. And then it'll get your shrimp nice and straight. So now I'm going to add my shrimp to my marinade. You want to make sure you toss them well so they're nice and coated. And then you're going to cover them and let them marinate for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. Now here I have some flour and water. I just mixed it together to make a little paste to seal them when we roll them. Now here I cut my spring roll in half to make 2 triangles. Now to wrap it, you're just going to take one end, fold it over. You're going to take the top, fold it down until it seals that top of the shrimp. And then you're just going to basically roll it. You want to roll it nice and tight. It will get messy, you guys. And then you're going to take some of that paste when you get to the end, spread it on, and just roll it on up. It's really easy. Next, we're going to go ahead and fry them until they're golden brown and crispy. These are the perfect little finger food, you guys. Anytime you're, having a little get together or you're watching the game. I like to cook things like this on like Saturday nights. Serve them with some sweet Thai chili sauce and some lime. Girl. Yum.